Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a snowdown between two powerful note-taking apps, Kilonote and Onenote, to find out which one really stands out in 2025. Starting with Kilonotes, this app has been gaining attention for its minimalistic design and lightning-fast note capture. If you love a clutter-free space that syncs smoothly across all your devices, Kilonote is made for you. It supports Markdown, text, and instant search, which makes organizing your thoughts super easy and efficient. On the flip side, we have OneNote, Microsoft's classic powerhouse. It's packed with features from rich text formatting, multimedia embedding, and collaboration tools to deep integration with Microsoft 365 Suite. OneNote shines if you want a versatile, all-in-one digital notebook that adapts well to both personal and professional use. So, which one should you pick? If you want something lightweight, quick, and distraction-free, Kilonote is a fantastic choice. But if you need more feature-rich platform with robust collaboration and multimedia support, OneNote still holds the crown. Both apps offer the free trials and they keep improving in 2025. So it really boils down to your workflow and what kind of note taking experience you prefer. Alright, guys, drop your favorite in the comments and tell me what feature matter most to you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech comparison like this. See you in next one.